many communication channels do you think you need for a team of 10? If you guessed 45, you are right. And that's crazy, isn't it? You need 45 communication channels for a team of 10? Say what? So communication channels are basically all of the different ways that people on a project can communicate. And the bigger your team or project are, well, you can imagine there's going to be way more communication channels. And that means that the project manager has a lot of work to organize these channels to keep everybody aligned. So if you have 2 people, that's 1 channel, okay? And you add a 3rd person, now you've got 3. So you got A talks to B, you got A talks to C, and then you got B talks to C. You see how that works? So every new person adds connections with everyone else, and that's how it multiplies so fast. Oh, I remember several years ago when I was studying to take the PMP exam, I had to learn the formula, and the formula goes like this. You got to take the number of team members, and then you got to multiply that by 1 less than that number, and then divide that by 2, okay? So basically, in our example, if you've got 10 people, you're going to multiply that by 9, then you're going to divide that by 2, and you get 45. 45 communication channels. And that right there is 45 ways your communication can either flow or get lost if you're not structured. And that is why it's very important for project managers to create the communication management plan at the planning phase of the project. That's going to define who communicates with who, how often, and what method they're going to use. Doing all of that is definitely going to help keep the team aligned, and it's going to avoid any communication chaos. All right, now I want to hear from you. How many communication channels do you have on your project team right now? Drop that in the comments below. And if this information was helpful, hit that like button, share, and follow for more project management tips. Thanks.